Paris, the city of lights, a vibrant tapestry woven from history, romance, and modern sophistication. From the iconic Eiffel Tower reaching for the sky to the cobbled streets whispering of bygone eras, Paris captivates the imagination like no other city. Paris boasts a history stretching back centuries. Explore the majestic Louvre Museum, housing Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile, or wander the halls of the Palace of Versailles, once the lavish playground of French royalty. Witness the grandeur of Notre Dame Cathedral, a testament to Gothic architecture, or climb the Arc de Triomphe, commemorating Napoleon's victories. Paris takes center stage once again, hosting the 2024 Summer Olympics. Witness the world's best athletes compete in iconic locations like the Stade de France, home to the World Cup final, or the Grand Palais Éphémère, a stunning temporary structure built specifically for the Games. Paris is more than museums and monuments. Here are 6 experiences you can't miss to enrich your personal experience visiting this great city. Cruise the Seine River. Immerse yourself in the city's beauty from the water, passing under picturesque bridges and iconic landmarks. Stroll through Jardin du Luxembourg. Relax in this sprawling public garden, adorned with fountains, sculptures, and blooming flowers. Taste your way through the city. From Michelin-starred restaurants to quaint sidewalk cafes, savor the diverse culinary scene. Shop on Champs-Élysées. Indulge in a luxurious shopping spree on this famous avenue, lined with designer boutiques and flagship stores. Catch a cabaret show. Immerse yourself in the glitz and glamour of Parisian nightlife at the legendary Moulin Rouge. Explore hidden gems. Wander off the beaten path and discover charming neighborhoods like Montmartre, known for its Sacré-Cœur basilica and artistic spirit. Paris awaits you, with its timeless charm, artistic spirit, and boundless energy. Enjoy the experience and magic of this grand city of France for yourself. Make sure you use Brainbuster Quiz 2024 resources to learn more. In the next section, au revoir.